we've to import OS module. OS module means operating system. Now we'll call the dir function that returns all properties and methods of the specified object. Then we'll call getCould function just for displaying our current working directory. This time we're facing our operating system environment path. Now we're going to face getExecPath function. ABSPath is another function for fetching our parent directory. Next, we'll see the names of folders. These are the folders of our parent directory. Our file name with extension is. Another way, we'll fetch the file path. Just for the file name, we're calling base name from the operating system path. List directory containing getCould function will bring all files. Now we'll declare two variables to create a new folder in the parent directory. Now we'll create the new folder calling a function. The new directory is. After creating the new directory, we'll see the names of folders. Finally, we'll delete the new folder calling the function. Thanks a lot for watching.